Hello and welcome to all you early birds. We'll be getting started in just a couple of minutes, but it's so nice to see faces. I missed you. I'm gonna give you an APHA hug. But I'm grateful that we can have the technology to come together in some way or another. Wonderful to see so many familiar names of folks logging on. I so wish we could be together in person. The last time we gave these awards in person was in 2019 at the National Conference on Tobacco or Health in Minneapolis. I think that this year, unlike any others, it's almost more important for us to find a way to connect. This is our Smokefree Indoor Air Challenge Awards ceremony, and in addition, our Voices for Smokefree Air Awards reception. The Smokefree Indoor Air Challenge is something that we established back in 1998 as a means to recognize all of those coalitions doing the hard work at the local level. We've known since the early days at ANR that local leads the way, particularly with smoke-free indoor air and smoke-free workplace laws, but certainly as well we're seeing with multi-unit housing, with the flavor bans and sales bans. So local leads the way. And so these awards acknowledge the state that has adopted the most local laws, whether they're brand new or if they are laws that have been strengthened over time. We've had a lot of early adopters in some states that in the early days adopted laws that maybe had some sort of exemptions or perhaps didn't include e-cigarettes because they didn't exist before 2008, 2009. So we really want to give credit where it's due to all of the partners at the local, state, community level, federal level that are working together to make sure that we clear the air of secondhand smoke, that we're able to close gaps in smoke-free protections, and to create healthier air for all. And today I'm thrilled that we've got 7 different individuals or organizations that we're also going to acknowledge. But without further ado, I am going to turn it over to Anjul Smith, who's going to kick us off with the Smoke-Free Indoor Air Challenge Awards.
It goes to Kentucky. Please call if you just want to wave, say yay.
Thank you so much, ANR. We love you out here.
Congratulations,
you,
Kentucky.
I have a couple of my staff are on too, so lots going on here, and I miss you all. Oh, I see Elizabeth, State Health Department. We see Amanda Booker. I think Leanne's on. Yeah, thank you. We love everybody.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kentucky. Congrats to your team. Thanks for joining us, you guys. All right, next up in second place is Louisiana. It's the Louisiana team on the call. Anybody want to shout out real quick from Louisiana?
Hey, this is Tanya. I'm here. Thank you so much, ANR and everybody. Yay. I think we have a few folks on the call too. Everybody in Louisiana, thank you for your hard work and everybody who helped to make it happen. Thank you.
Absolutely. Congrats, Louisiana, to you and your team. Thanks, Mississippi. Hey, that's my silent cheer. Congrats to Mississippi. Is Mississippi on?
Yes, thanks so much, ANR. We're excited about this first place award. I would like to quickly, thank our partners, Heart, Lung, Cancer Partnership for a Healthy Mississippi, our boots on the ground, the coalitions, our community health teams with the Department of Health, as well as our Delta Health collaboration team. So thanks everyone for your hard work.
Awesome. Thanks, Tiffany. Congrats again to Mississippi, to Louisiana and Kentucky.
Feel local leads the way, and when it comes to closing the gaps in smoke-free protections to include e-cigarettes, we have some fantastic movement, none other than the state of Louisiana. Louisiana, once again, we see you, we hear you. So congratulations for that hard work, Louisiana. In our number 2 spot, we have an extra special Midwestern state, Wisconsin. Wisconsin, where are you at? Do we have Maureen on the call from Wisconsin? Do you want to say a few words on behalf of your state?
Yeah, thank you so much for this recognition. We really appreciate it. Vicki, did you want to say something?
Yep, I was just going to say that it really the recognition goes out to all of our local partners across the state for all the hard work that they've done to make these advances, to continue to do the work of smoke-free air, clean indoor air. So the kudos goes to them, and then all of our technical assistance team that provides that support to them as well. And also thanks to ANR for this recognition and your collaboration and partnership over the years. We appreciate it.
Top spot, it's once again Mississippi.
Woo!
Mississippi, where we are constantly in awe of your ongoing energy and local efforts, and we hope it continues to inspire local momentum everywhere. So congrats, keep on sending us those local laws and your coalition challenges, and we'll get through them together.
Thank you so much. I think my office director, Amy, is on the call. Amy, did you want to say something quickly?
Hey, just very exciting for us, and really thankful. I know a lot of our partners are on the call, and just thanks to everyone and for their passion and unending hard work. Thank you, ANR.
So congratulations to the state of California and to all of the local communities for your leadership and your pioneering work in these new areas of tobacco control. You really are helping to lead the way forward. I know we have April Raisler, who is with us. She's the branch chief of the California Tobacco Control Program. So congratulations to you and to all of the partners and local folks who are on the call today. Would you like to say a little something, April?
Yeah, thank you, Liz, and to ANR. It's a real honor to get these two awards. The multi-unit housing award, I can remember in 2006 when we started to work in this space, a lot of people raised their eyebrows. So to see it, recognized this way 14 years later is really heartwarming. And of course, this is a team effort. Our local health departments, community-based organizations, technical assistance providers, the statewide media campaign, and the universities who provide us the science, really, it's just everybody working together, and it's their award. So thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you all, and keep up the good work, California.
Really pleased to present one of the first awards to Mr. Louis McTush. And Mr. McTush came to us, yeah, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, right? Mr. McTush came to us years ago. He's an Atlanta-based entertainer, music producer, know everybody in the industry kind of guy, and has just been at this for years, but has just worked with artists in the industry and has seen the impact secondhand smoke has had on musicians, entertainers, the equipment folks, just everybody in the room. And so he's been a really passionate advocate for this work. And as much as we started off in Atlanta and he helped us see the Smoke-Free Atlanta campaign through to the finish line, thank you very much, Mr. McTush. He has also expanded his reach into really helping to bring new artists from new genres, including the blues, and several other genres to this issue, and help to support the growing initiative Smoke-Free Music Cities project. And so, Mr. McTush, I know you're on the line. We want to acknowledge you. We really appreciate you as being a champion for smoke-free protections. I think your mic is hot right now. Congratulations on this award. But we are thrilled and pleased as heck to present this to you.
I am truly proud and honored to even be acknowledged in this, because I look back on the early days with the ANR, I think it was like 2012, and I was out on tour when I got your email. And from that point on, it's been an upward climb in Augusta, Columbus, Atlanta, and with a partner like Anjul and Cynthia, I just thank you, because you really lit a fire in Atlanta. I just think about the early days when it was like they were almost laughing at me, like, I wish you luck with that one. And so just to see this come to this, and I see so many of the other community partners on the page here, and God, I just thank you all for your help, your I know I'm a handful, you know what I mean? And I just thank you all. I mean, truly I do. And our hospitality workers, I see them every day and they thank me for what it is that we managed to accomplish here in Atlanta. So I'm thanking A&R, Cynthia, Abdul, Bronson, Heidi, Joseph.
Thank you, Mr. McTish. Well, we appreciate you. We can't do this work without you. Stay with us because there's more work to do. So we need you to stick around and stay in this fight with us. So thank you so much.
And we met this wonderful person who's actually one of Nashville Lifestyle's 25 most fascinating people, Mr. Jamie Kent. He is an entrepreneur, he is a musician, and he's the one who put together and organized the People Supporting Artists Telethon. And when Bronson and I were having our first conversation with Jamie, he managed to sort of say, I totally support what you do. I have asthma. And with that, I said, let's put a pin in that. We need to talk after your telethon because I'd love to get your testimonial. If you haven't seen the musician testimonials that we have on our website, please take a look at smokefreemusiccity.org. We've also been doing videos, our Stay Safe at Home series, of which Jamie just performed last Friday as our 50th artist to perform on our show. But in any event, Jamie, I don't know if you were able to get on the call with us today. I know that you had somewhere else to be. If
I'm
you're not
here.
on the line, you're here. Jamie, thank you so much for being an incredible partner. Not only did you bring in over 24 artists to Nashville artists to perform for our Stay Safe at Home series and to tell their story about how difficult it is to perform in a smoke-filled environment and how much better it is to perform in smoke-free. But you, my hero, have created, as a result, a brand new coalition in Nashville, Musicians for a Smoke-Free Nashville. Thank you. And, it just, in honor of all your incredible work over just the last 6 months, I just want to say that on behalf of A&R, the board of directors, and all of our members, we are so grateful for your energy and passion, and we look forward to a smoke-free Nashville real soon.
Thank you so much for all your support. The honor is all mine, and I just know that there's silver linings to look for everywhere, and this is without question my greatest silver lining to come from the pandemic, because just at the start of this year, I was telling my wife how I wanted to live my life with more purpose, and this has been a passion of mine since I was in middle school. You can talk to my friends who I used to harass for smoking then, and it's been going on as I played Smoky Bars and battled asthma and had to cancel tour dates. And then this past year, lost my aunt to COPD from a lifetime of smoking. It's been a passion of mine, and you guys giving me the opportunity to chase this down and to put it out once and for all in Nashville is a big honor. And we're just getting started, and I have no doubt that we're gonna make a smoke-free Nashville here real soon.
I'm pleased to introduce you to Brian Christopher and Britt Carter with bcslots.com. Brian and Britt are national leaders in helping to highlight and normalize smoke-free casinos within the gaming industry, with operators, with sovereign tribes, and with gaming enthusiasts through their YouTube videos, social media posts, and public speaking. Smoke-free air is an amenity the gaming industry can be proud of. The BC Slots live streams and events at smoke-free casinos have generated millions of views and tens of thousands of comments with gaming enthusiasts in support of smoke-free casinos across the country, including Park MGM, the first smoke-free casino on the Las Vegas Strip. BC Slots is the #1 social influencer in the world for slot machines. Their avid dues-paying fan club members, the Rudies, responded to a recent landmark survey on casino smoking preferences with gaming enthusiasts. And also, Brian and Britt conducted an interview with the marketing director at the Angel of the Winds Casino in Washington State. These types of tools are really helping to inform the decision-making by gaming leaders and regulators, policymakers, industry-wide. This month, Brian also facilitated the kickoff session for the Global Gaming Expo, which is the Super Bowl of the gaming industry, of the casino industry. That session dealt with COVID-19 response within the casino sector, and helped to highlight that many casinos are reopening smoke-free as part of their response to COVID. We applaud BC Slots for the significant role they have served in helping to promote the smoke-free casino trends for the well-being of hospitality, gaming staff, and customers for generations to come. So Brian and Britt, I'm not sure if you're on, but if you are, congratulations, and love to have you say a word.
Thank you so much, Bronson. And it has been an absolute pleasure working with you all. I met Bronson's team a few years ago, about 3 years ago now. And at that time, my channel was so tiny, but I was super passionate about this. And I said, how can we work together? And now we're working together very regularly. We're promoting the message of healthy, safe casinos. And especially during the pandemic, it only helped amplify that. So we're very happy to be a part of this movement, and our fans are behind us. And most importantly, I think, we've been doing a survey alongside with you, and we've learned that, perceptions that the majority of gamblers smoking is just not true anymore. And so we're trying to spread that message out to all the casinos across the country, and we're very happy.
Yes, thank you so much.
Award recipient, which is the Bradbury Sullivan LGBT Community Center in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We have been working in Pennsylvania to close gaps in smoke-free protections, it's a large state. Organizing is really challenging, and we wanted to focus on finding a unique voice and someone that could help make this issue human and make it real. And I have just been blown away by the programming at Bradbury Sullivan. Thank you for your work. And if you want to say something for a minute about why it's important to you all to continue to close gaps in smoke-free protections, we'd love to hear from you.
Well, thank you, Tracy, and thank you, Cynthia. We're just happy that you want to make LGBT disparity as part of your priority, because tobacco is the leading cause of death for LGBTQ people. And if our own community doesn't advocate and work for a healthier LGBT community, we're not going to get there. Working for smoke-free prides is part of our pathway to achieving health equity. And our own community has to recognize that, but also the tobacco control movement has to recognize that health equity means we have to work from the margins and work in, and we have to work with the communities that are often left behind, including but not only the LGBTQ+ community. So thank you so much to both of you. And I just want to acknowledge one of my team members is Gabby Hochfeld, who's on as well today. And Gabby leads all of our tobacco education and outreach work at our center. So we're so grateful and thankful for this recognition.
But this special coalition in the great state of Indiana, the Tobacco Free Casinos Task Force, was born out of the New Orleans Clearing the Air Special Edition Conference. And they have met consistently once a month, every month since Clearing the Air in New Orleans. So, they've been meeting consistently now for almost 4 years. And, like many places, casinos are one of the largest loopholes in Indiana state law, and closing that gap is really challenging. But they have created this network of very proficient volunteers. And because of that, we've seen great success. And just this year, now a proposed casino for Terre Haute is planned to open as smoke-free in 2022. the French Lick Casino and French Lick Resort in Southern Indiana is currently operating smoke-free. So y'all, I just can't say enough about how much you inspire and build capacity and have forever changed the state of Indiana. So Anita and Nick, I know you're both on. I'm so amazed and impressed by the work that you do. And I can't wait to see what casino will be smoke-free in Indiana next. So Anita or Nick, do you want to say something about what you've seen come out of this task force?
Hi, it's Anita, and thank you, Tracy. Thank you, A&R. It's kind of nice for Indiana to get an award from A&R. I think it's been a while. And the Task Force for Casino, we have a code name because we have to be kind of careful about the work, but we started off just talking about casinos, kind of really not believing that we could do anything about it. And here we are today celebrating the first, we think, smoke-free casino in Indiana. So it just goes to show that hard work pays off. And I have to give, they're not on, I don't think, but the partners in Indiana, all of the people who come on the call, what we do is if it's a casino county, they come on, but if it's a casino county, if it's a county nearby a casino county, they also come on. So it's real teamwork. And then thank you to our statewide and other national partners. It's been a lot of fun. I think we're moving in the right direction, and we couldn't have done it without all of you. Thank you for teaching us so much about smoke-free casinos. That's been an important lesson for us in Indiana. Thank you, Nick. You gonna say something?
I just want to thank A&R, Tracy in particular. You have kept us, I don't think we would have kept up this last 4 years, meeting regularly, keeping up the agendas, keeping our notes, keeping ourselves accountable, and keeping the fire burning, because it's been a long slog, but it takes all of our partners together. Sometimes coming out of New Orleans, we had to just keep that moving forward. So really appreciate everybody's work. Thanks for the honor.
This year, 2 tribal health boards serving over 62 federally recognized sovereign tribes provided outstanding leadership this year by coordinating and creating and facilitating webinars to their membership and tribal casino contacts to promote the benefits of reopening 100% smoke-free tribal casinos, especially during these tricky times that we've had in 2020. And the leadership from these health boards has just been amazing, and an honor to have been part of it, even just a little bit, because the difference they made was huge. They made a huge impact. So we're going to start with the Southern Plains Tribal Health Board. Yay! And to accept the award from the Southern Plains Tribal Health Board is Mr. Chris Tallbear and Mr. Aaron Williams. Would you guys like to say something? Mr. Tallbear?
Yeah, but thank you. It's such an honor. We really do appreciate you giving us the opportunity to work together, and this is exciting for us. We appreciate it very much.
You know, I'm just excited to get to meet everybody here and kind of all pull the same direction. I think, you know, this experience with COVID, it's kind of one of those things. Let's make something good out of it. And this message that we're trying to put forth with tribal smoke-free casinos is good. And I appreciate the partnerships and, you know, the support that we've received from you guys. So we look forward to this continued relationship. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Tallbear. And also, we want to give a Smoke-Free Leadership Award to the amazing Great Plains Tribal Chairman's Health Board, who were just tremendous, stepping up to the plate to promote smoke-free tribal casinos. So here to accept their award is Ms. Jennifer Williams, Ms. Shannon Udi, and Ms. Madonna Dolphus.
Thank
Jennifer,
you so much, Shar. We appreciate being recognized, and quick hi to Chris and Aaron. Hi guys. We appreciate being recognized, but I do just want to say thank you so much to Shar and Clinton. We brought an idea to them, and they helped us carry out this vision. So really, we share this with our partners, Shar and Clinton, and Brian and Britt from BC Slots and Black Hills Center for American Indian Health. And we had some folks from the Turtle Mountain community and also Standing Rock. And I just want to say thank you to our partners, because we were able to provide these resources and great opportunity in such a I don't know, just such a weird time, but it was good timing to kind of push this issue. So thank you so much. We appreciate this.
I'm sitting here listening to all the awards everyone's getting, and it's really great that like all of us together are really doing great and amazing things. And if you guys are aware, there's over 130 tribal casinos right now that are 100% smoke free, and a lot of that has to do with the work that these tribal health boards have been doing with the webinars, and with the help of all these partners like Brian and Britt, and just the way everybody's been coming together and getting these things done. And it's really amazing. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you again to everyone. And again, I think every part of this comes together in one big playbook as we move towards smoke-free protections for everybody. We continue to work hard to close the gaps. And we appreciate everything that you guys are doing to help us all in that effort. Thanks so much for joining us, you guys. I'm thrilled that you're here. And we look forward to continuing to work with you guys. Go Southern States. I had to get that in too.
Again, thank you so much for joining us today. I appreciate it. You all do fantastic work. We're so pleased to be able to work with you. Look forward to our ongoing partnerships. Take care, be well, and I sincerely hope that I can see you soon in person. Goodbye and thank you.